Hello, beautiful people. It is Gabrielle here, and I have some really exciting news. So I participated in the Milk Cosmetics Halloween Challenge this year, and I won during the freestyle competition. So I got a box of amazing Milk Cosmetic goodies. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing with you, and the reason why I don't have anything on my lips is that it is a collection of lip glosses. So without further ado, let's open this guy up. First off, I love their packaging. I love how it's like a very sleek black box. And then when you open it, it's got all the lips, which is super cute. And I haven't purchased anything from them, but I have like played around with some of their powders in the past, and they feel so good and so creamy. So this is my first like jump in with the brand. Okay, so I got a cute little sticker. I'll stick that somewhere. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, hold on. So they put them in this cute little bag. It feels so nice. I'm just gonna dig right in. Okay, so they have a little card here. It says High Shine Metal Lips. New metal lip glosses in 8 foiled colors. So here are the shades. I'll be swatching them for you guys too. So it looks like a good range between like some really intense bright pops of colors, but it looks like they offer a few neutral options as well. So I'm just gonna dig in. So I have all of the shades right here. I'm so excited, and the packaging is so like reflective. It's like a chrome packaging. Sorry, the packaging like catches my light sometimes. Oh my gosh. And they're different colors based on obviously what color lip gloss it is. I am so excited to try these out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching these for you. Okay, so we'll start with Seance. This is a really pretty pink packaging. Okay, and then once you open it up, it has the Milk logo on it, and then you can see the color. So that's really nice because you can also see how much you have left. Okay. Wow. Oh, these smell really good. Okay, so these smell kind of like a vanilla. I don't know, it's very sweet. Kind of like cake. So this is the first shade. This one is Seance. Okay, so I'm going to swatch this one on my lip. Okay. So I know I don't have the biggest, most luscious lips, but this is what it looks like. So this actually goes really well with my shirt today. I feel like I would totally wear this lip with an outfit like this. It feels really nice. It's not sticky at all, which is nice because I don't really like sticky glosses. So this is really slippery, and it feels fairly moisturizing, at least the initial reaction on the lips. So this is Seance. I think that this shade would really flatter almost anyone. It's a really beautiful everyday shade that I could see myself wearing for a really long time and even throughout fall. It's like the perfect like shiny, like the weather's getting colder type of shade for me personally. But yeah, I really like it, and I think I would totally wear this over and over again. So the doe foot applicator on these are really soft. So it feels like velvet kind of. So you're getting that really great application with one easy swipe, just because I think the applicator is made well and designed to kind of give you that really opaque coverage. So I really like the packaging. I really like the doe foot applicator. I honestly have no complaints. I really am loving this first one, and I kind of don't want to take this one off, but I will because I have 7 other shades to go. So I just took that lip gloss off, and I just wanted to note that there wasn't any staining with that color on my lips. So moving on to the next one, this one is called 1942, and it's in this beautiful bronze packaging. So this one has the same packaging. It is a bronze shade, and you can see the color through the Melt logo and on this other side. Okay, so this is 1942, and it is this beautiful bronzy shade. So once again, there isn't any staining, so that's nice. Okay, so this one, ooh, I'm really excited about this one. Look at that pink. So this is what the shade looks like. Really vibrant blue pink. See, with just one swipe, you can see how much pigment is really in here. So this one is Lurk. Wow, this is like super bold. And I love it. I love it so much. This is such a stunning pink. And I love the finish of these. Like, it's metallic and glossy and hydrating and not sticky at all. This is like my perfect lip gloss formula, in my opinion. Like, these already feel so amazing. So this one is more of a pop of color. I think even if you wanted to sheer it out a little bit and use it as a topper on top of another, like a bright pink or a bright purple lipstick, that would look really cool. But you totally don't need a lipstick underneath these products. They're fully opaque and they are gorgeous. Okay, this one stained my lips a little bit. That's a really pretty pink, so that's fine. I don't really mind too much. Moving on to the next color, let's keep on going with the brights trend and go into Overkill, which is this purple. Okay, so this is what Overkill looks like. It's this really pretty purple. Ooh, that's stunning. So this is one application of Overkill. It's a really beautiful shade, but I feel like some parts of it aren't as opaque as I would like it to be. I love purple lips. I absolutely love Heroine from MAC. So this is another great option that is also purple. It's a deeper purple. I will apply more, and I'll apply a second coat of this just to see if I can build up the opacity. Just because I feel like it's a little bit on the sheerer side compared to the other ones. But that's fine because I know purple is a very difficult shade to work with. So I wouldn't mind just going back in one more time to build up the product. There we go. Okay, so this is the type of finish that I would typically like to wear purple at too. It's more opaque and it's just thicker and shinier and glossier. So I definitely think that personally I would do 2 coats of this color if I were to wear this out. I really like the color. It's like beautiful. It's not super dark, but it's not like too vibrant. It's like a perfect purple in my opinion. Same texture, same scent like the other colors. But yeah, just the opacity on this one is not as intense as the other colors that I've tried so far. So let's finish up the super bright colors and go in with this orange. The shade is called Deviant. To be honest, I don't really wear orange lips too often, so hoping that this one might change my mind about orange. Okay, so here is the color Deviant. It's actually a really beautiful orange. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this one with one application is not as opaque. I think it's the same opacity as that purple. You can still see the color, but it's not getting that really vibrant, juicy orange look, which I don't mind. You can see here that some of the stain that the other colors have left on my lips is peeking through, but then that tells me that you could layer this with a lipstick and just kind of use it as a lip topper, and it would look good that way too. So I'm just going to apply another coat of this shade just so I can get that opacity that I'm looking for. So this is 2 coats of the shade Deviant. I am not a huge fan of oranges in general, so I probably won't be wearing this shade or reaching for this shade too much, but I think that if you are a fan of orange, I feel like on certain skin tones it does look really beautiful and stunning. I just personally don't like it on me as a color, but if you do like oranges, I don't really have any complaints with this one. You do have to build it up kind of like the purple, if you do want that like juicy orange feeling. So the next color we'll go into is this pink shade. It's a really pretty like deep rose packaging, and the color is Trance. Okay, so this is Trance. Ooh, it looks like a beautiful vampy shade. This looks like the perfect holiday party shade, really. So I'm really excited. Yes, I'm all about this. So since I know I'm going to keep this one for myself, I'm going to use the doe foot applicator. The other ones I'm going to put in my kit, so I want to keep them sanitary. And then that first one I am also going to keep. Yes. Do you see that? I love colors like these. This color makes me really feel like I'm in fall, like the holidays are coming, and it makes me feel really cozy and warm. Stunning. Perfection. This is probably my favorite shade so far. You only need 1 coat of this one. This is perfection. This is like my perfect holiday, deep, dark, vampy, fall, amazing, wonderful, juicy lip. This is, oh, I love this. I'm going to wear this. I don't even want to take this one off. That's how much I love this. It goes with what I'm wearing, goes with my background, goes with everything. So once again, this one is called Trance. Oh my gosh. Yes. This one is definitely going to be a keeper, and I can't wait to keep wearing it this whole entire season and beyond. This is amazing. It's super metallic, it's opaque, and it's beautiful. It doesn't stick together. You don't get the, like, you know, the stringy bits from lip glosses. I'm not going to get this with this gloss. It is literal perfection. I love it. So we have 2 more. I don't want to take this one off, but I will power through and do it. So let's go with this pink one, and then we'll end with this brown. So my lips are getting redder and redder with each application, so I apologize. There's nothing I could really do about that unless I applied foundation over it, but I kind of like having my lips as a base when I swatch these. Okay, so this one is called Amulet. Yes, look at this. Like, so pretty. Yes. Yes, all of my sugar plum fairy dreams have come true and more. This is stunning. I would also wear this during the holidays and throughout this whole entire season, and I love it. It is so pretty. It's like the perfect plummy metallic. Ugh, I love it. And look how metallic it is. Like this one is especially metallic. Oh, it's so stunning. I really like this one. This one is Amulet. And this one is very opaque, like one swipe and you're good. So that's really nice about this one. And the funny thing is even though they're metallic, I feel like they don't emphasize your lip lines too much. So I really like these because they're just so glossy and juicy that they give a really cool effect on your lips. Okay, last but not least, we have this brown one. This one is so pretty. I like the packaging on all of these. This one is called Evoke. I love the names of these. Whoever named them, good job. Mel, you're awesome at naming your products. So this one is a brown. It's a chocolatey, shimmery brown. So this is what Evoke looks like. This is a really nice shade. It also matches with what I'm wearing. This one's really pretty. I think this shade would look really great on people with deeper skin tones. It would look like kind of a natural metallic gloss shade. So I think that would be really stunning. It's not my favorite color out of the collection, but it is a very fall and a very fun color to wear. So just some final thoughts about the collection. I really enjoyed them, and I think that they're a really unique finish that you can't really find elsewhere on the market. I think that they're really great glosses because the scent isn't overpowering and it's very pleasant to apply. The doe foot applicator is flawless. It's perfection, and it really makes you just feel good inside when you're applying it. The only thing I can't speak about is wear time, but considering it's a gloss, I wouldn't mind reapplying it throughout the day. It's not like it's something that's going to dry your lips out like a liquid lipstick. So I don't really mind reapplying lip products throughout the day when they're glossy or hydrating. Honestly, some of these shades I know I'm going to love and I'm going to wear and I'm going to get so much use out of them. And I just want to thank Milk Cosmetics for sending them over because of the contest. I know I'm like a itsy bitsy small YouTuber here, but I just really love these products and I'm really excited to see what they'll come out with next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more try-on videos, more product reviews, more videos of just me being silly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and without you, I can't have my dream job. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.